I got hope. Took me some time, I got hope. Took me some time, I got hope. Took me some time, I got hope. Before this video starts, I just wanted to give a free giveaway right quick. The way to enter, y'all gotta make sure y'all are subscribed to my channel and just leave down in the comment section whether you're Xbox or PS4, and I'm gonna be picking out winners for the next video. And also, No Life is the official clan for the rest of 2K17 and for 2K18. So if you guys want to join, let me know in the comment section or add me on Xbox for No Life, and I'll add you guys back. But we finna get straight into this video. I hope you guys enjoy.
No one can hop on squad. They're like fighting for it.
All we need is the ball once, bro. That's all we need. So let's start.
Punisher too rich.
If I sell,
Look at the ball back. It's good defense. Defense is key. We got this, bro.
AFRO, just set a screen and then roll.
Watch the screens, bro. Cause he's 6'10".
When y'all get it, just set a screen and roll.
That was a defensive breakdown?
This game is retarded.
That's a stick.
He's gonna pass.
Oh wow, I did no. Oh my god, this guy stacks Montana.
Give me that.
Let's go. Say goodbye.
What?
Say goodbye. Say goodbye, coach.
White.
Say goodbye, coach.
And
you know the fucking rules, bro. Let's get it. We pull up, we drop off. Simple, my nigga. Pull up, we
what if
drop
y'all
off.
win? Y'all staying on?
Simple,
Rebound.
my nigga.
Y'all staying on or hopping off?
Step off. We pull up and we drop off. Simple.
This dude's sucking dick over here. You know the stretches and stuff you can buy when you're like a pro. He's doing that thing, and it's like it's the sit-up one where you're doing like multiple and you're just going back and forth. I'm like, and he's doing it right on top of people. Like, this gets fucked.
Pull up and we drop off, nigga. Don't lose, my nigga. Fuck Audi. I got you.
Bro, have you missed one shot yet?
No. I saw.
Why'd you shoot that? I thought I had board.
Ew.
We're good, we're good. Niggas ain't even good, bro. On me. Get your man. Bro, stay on.
All's white.
No matter what, bro. Stay
You
on.
get white.
No, just stay on your dude, though. You're not gonna be able to snag over him. Get on him. Stay on that nigga, bro. Oh my god, bro. I can't play on both, bro. You're gonna have to do something.
Sold. He also sold. Oh my god. You should have gotten the rebound.
Could've.
Oh, he was in the way.
I'm a pick up. I'm a reach on this guy. I'm like defending up.
Alright. Watch the screen, bro.
I got.
It's getting bailed out. Fucking those corner shots.
Lucky we didn't get ball again.
Hold on, I got you.
Oh! He has to spam X. Of course he has to spam X. Why'd he spam? Damn, he has to spam to win. You know what?
Stop playing so nervous.
Okay. Not even nervous. Run for it.
Stop playing nervous.
HDX Simplicity is broadcasting Black Ops 2 on Beam. Wow.
You're setting horrible screens.
I got you. Let's go.
Whoa.
He's setting horrible screens. Bro, you got the ball back. We're good.
BB.
Mubs got beat.
BB coach.
Let's go. Come on, bro. 2 more buckets. Come on, bro. You got this. Stop stressing, bro. I got you.
Oh, shoot.
Hold on. Reset.
Hold on, reset.
I got you.
Let's get it. Come to me. Or BB. Come to me or BB.
I'm gonna try BB. Hold on, I'm gonna come to you, BB.
Ooh.
Oh.
Don't say anything if you win.
Get him out of here, coach.
Don't say shit.
Hey.
Get him out of here, coach.
Okay, y'all won then.
Get him out of here, coach.
Alright, I'm hopping up.
They don't get fucking bailed out.
Hopping off. He
Get
did
up,
too.
little horsey.
You're lucky I didn't have all last time.
Look, you fucking sold, bro. I don't know why you sold
Everyone
twice.
hopped off. Everyone hopped off.
I don't know why you fucking sold twice, bro.
Everyone hopped off besides, and then they
Flop on
hopped
him. Go
on.
flop on him real quick. Help out, bro. That shit was retarded. That shit. Hold on. I see YouTube video. That's a rap, coach.
Here.
Step
Oh,
off, bro. A little something like.
everyone's flopping. Flop. Yeah, right on your skate.
Took me some time, I got hope. Took me some time, I got